How to create an account in Almosafer. So Almosafer right here. All we need to do to create ourselves some account right here. All we need to do is open up our Almosafer right here. Once our Almosafer has been opened up right here, on the bottom right corner you will see your profile. Press on your profile right there. After pressing on your profile right there, next thing we need to do is click on sign in. As you see, click on sign in. There you go, and then you can continue with your Google. Right now we're going to create an account, so we're just going to go back and click on create an account. Once you create an account, you will put in continue with your Google. So right now we're going to continue with the Google, or we can just sign in. So we're here, we're going to put in our number. So if you're wondering why is our area code 966, I probably pressed the wrong button earlier. So when you start up, you choose a country, so I choose the wrong country. So yeah, anyways, click on continue with Google. As you see right now, after choosing an account, click continue. I just have to wait for a few seconds. There you go. As you can see, we are now continued right here. So once we're here, next thing we need to do is there. We have ourselves an account here, and Almosafer. So there you go, guys. That's how you do it. That's how you create an account here on Almosafer. And guys, if you want, you can also check our other videos here about Almosafer and other airlines and others and other apps like this. There's so much more, and I hope you check our voice link down below. It will cost you nothing, and it's just easy to set up. Anyways, guys, there you go. If you guys enjoyed, if you have more questions, concerns, you can always type it down comment below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible on here on Guide Glimpse. Anyways, guys, there you go, and thank you, guys.